Every 66 seconds, someone is diagnosed with dementia. You might think this is just a natural part of aging, but the truth is far more sinister.
The real culprit could be hiding right inside your refrigerator. We are unknowingly fueling our bodies with silent killers disguised in attractive, colorful commercial packaging.
These substances are quietly cutting off your primary source of life energy. They are not just food. They are biological weapons, stealing 10 years of your lifespan. We trade our long-term health for a few moments of convenience. Each processed meal is a step closer to a future defined by chronic fatigue and memory loss. The modern diet is literally shrinking our brains. Science shows that certain additives cross the blood-brain barrier, causing permanent damage to our most vital cognitive functions. Don't be fooled by the convenience of a quick meal. Behind the nutritional labels lies a complex web of chemicals designed to bypass your body's natural defenses. Your mitochondria are the engines of your existence. When they are under attack, your entire body begins to shut down, leading to rapid and premature internal aging. It is time to wake up and see the invisible war being waged on your health. Understanding these 8 killers is the first step toward reclaiming your vitality. Mitochondria are the power plants of every cell in your body. They transform the food you eat into the energy ATP required for every single breath and thought. In a healthy state, your cells produce energy efficiently. This keeps your mind sharp, your heart strong, and your skin glowing with vibrant health. But convenience foods introduce toxic molecules that act like crashing meteors. They bombard your cellular power plants, causing them to leak energy and burn out. This process, known as oxidative stress, creates a leak in your cell membranes. Once the barrier is breached, your DNA becomes vulnerable to dangerous mutations. Processed chemicals directly attack the myelin sheath, the insulation for your brain's wiring. This slows down your thinking and leaves your brain starving for nutrients. When your mitochondria weaken, your body effectively begins to power down. This silent energy crisis is the hidden root of almost every modern chronic disease. We are witnessing an epidemic of early exhaustion. By destroying these tiny powerhouses, the food industry is effectively shortening your life by a decade or more. Welcome to the danger zone of modern nutrition. The first 4 killers are inflammatory toxins that wreak havoc on your biological systems with every bite. Killer number 1, high fructose corn syrup. This triggers rapid fatty liver disease, bypassing your body's normal hunger signals and flooding your system with toxins. Killer number 2, trans fats. These artificial fats act like liquid plastic, hardening your cell membranes and trapping dangerous waste inside your cells. Killer number 3, aspartame. Often labeled as diet-friendly, this neurotoxin easily crosses the blood-brain barrier, overstimulating your neurons until they wither and die. Killer number 4, MSG. This flavor enhancer is an excitotoxin that forces your cells to fire uncontrollably, leading to inflammation in the hypothalamus of the brain. These 4 horsemen of the metabolic apocalypse are found in almost every prepackaged snack, soda, and fast food meal on grocery shelves today. HFCS is particularly dangerous because it doesn't stimulate insulin like regular sugar. It goes straight to the liver, creating a toxic environment for your cells. Trans fats literally turn your cells into stone. When the membrane loses its flexibility, your mitochondria can no longer receive the oxygen they need to function. Stop the damage now. Instead of chemical sweeteners, choose natural alternatives like organic stevia or raw honey. These provide sweetness without destruction. Replacing soda and processed juices with pure water and natural extracts is the simplest way to flush these inflammatory killers out of your system. Your health is your responsibility. By identifying these first 4 killers, you can begin to build a shield of protection around your cells and your future. The threat isn't just in the food itself, but also in how it is stored. Heating plastic releases a hidden army of killers into your dinner. Killer number 5, microplastics. These microscopic invaders enter your bloodstream and lodge in your organs, causing chronic inflammation that never fully goes away. Killer number 6, glyphosate.
Used on a massive scale in industrial farming, this herbicide residue disrupts your gut microbiome and your mitochondria. Killer number 7. BHA and BHT. These synthetic preservatives keep fats from going rancid, but in your body, they act as endocrine disruptors. Killer number 8. Phthalates. These everywhere chemicals found in packaging interfere with your hormonal balance, leading to weight gain and cellular decay. The names may be hard to pronounce, but their effect is clear. These 4 killers work together to steal the oxygen right out of your cells. Every time you consume these toxins, you are accelerating your biological clock. You are trading your future vitality for the sake of a fast, packaged meal. These additives are not just harmless ingredients. They are oxygen thieves. They force your heart and lungs to work harder while your energy levels plummet.
This is why you feel chronically exhausted despite sleeping enough.
Your cells are literally starving for air while being drowned in a sea of industrial chemicals. It is time to reject the plastic culture. The convenience of today is the disease of tomorrow. We must stop letting corporations poison our internal environments. Awareness is your most powerful weapon. By identifying all 8 killers, you can finally choose to stop the slow destruction of your cellular life.
The destruction happens at a level we cannot see.
This is a total systemic failure, where one broken part leads to the collapse of the entire machine.
When your mitochondria die, your immune system loses its intelligence.
It can no longer distinguish between friends and foes, leading to autoimmune conditions. This is the root of multi-organ failure. When the energy factories shut down, the heart, liver, and kidneys begin to wither from a lack of power. The difference is clear. A healthy cell is a fortress of energy, while a poisoned cell is a crumbling ruin, unable to defend itself from external threats. You are trading 10 years of your life for convenience. Each processed meal is a withdrawal from your long-term health bank account. Metabolic syndrome is the modern-day plague. It is a slow, silent descent into a life of medication, doctors, and a loss of personal freedom. The damage goes deep into your DNA. When genetic blueprints are corrupted by oxidative stress, your body loses the ability to repair and regenerate. Brain fog is the first warning sign. It is the sound of your mitochondria screaming for help as they are choked by additives and heavy metal residues. We are seeing old age diseases in 20-year-olds. This is not natural. It is the direct result of a global experiment with our food and biology.
Your body is not a trash can. It is a sacred biological vessel that requires clean, high-quality fuel to function at its peak potential.
When the power finally goes out, there is no easy fix. We must stop the destruction before the factory reaches a point where it can never restart. There is hope for everyone. Your body has an incredible innate ability to heal itself if you simply stop the influx of poisons and provide real nutrition.
The journey to recovery starts with whole foods.
These natural ingredients contain the complex antioxidants your mitochondria use to repair their structures. Think of antioxidants as a repair crew. They neutralize the free radicals created by processed foods and help to seal the leaks in your cellular membranes.
Switching to organic produce reduces your exposure to glyphosate.
This simple change allows your gut and mitochondria a much-needed chance to breathe.
Supplementing with coenzyme Q10 can help jumpstart your energy production.
It acts like high-octane fuel that helps your cellular engines run smoothly once again. Remove the plastic from your life. Using glass and stainless steel ensures your food remains free from endocrine-disrupting phthalates and microplastics.
Liquid nutrition from green vegetables provides an immediate boost.
It floods your system with chlorophyll and magnesium-essential building blocks for cellular health. By eating healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, you rebuild your cell membranes. This restores communication between your cells for optimal energy. Clean air and movement are just as important. Exercise stimulates the growth of new, stronger mitochondria, reversing the effects of years of neglect. As your mitochondria recover, the brain fog lifts. You will find yourself thinking clearer, remembering more, and feeling more present in every moment.
This is the molecular detox. It is a commitment to your future self. By choosing life over convenience, you are reclaiming the years that were being stolen.
Your body is a miracle of self-healing. When you provide the right raw materials, it can repair even the most severe damage caused by industrial toxins. Do not let the food corporations decide how long you will live. Take back your medical autonomy and choose ingredients that support your life. Health is not just the absence of disease. It is the presence of overwhelming vitality. It is the ability to live every day with energy and purpose. Your choices today will define your quality of life in 20 years. Building a legacy of health for your family is the most important work you will do.
Even if you have spent years eating poorly, it is never too late to start over. Every meal is a new opportunity to heal your cellular environment.
The power to change is in your hands. Reclaim your energy, reclaim your mind, and reclaim the 10 years of life that belong to you. Trust in your body's wisdom. By removing the 8 killers and embracing whole foods, you are setting the stage for a long, vibrant future.
Remember the 8 killers: HFCS, trans fats, aspartame, MSG, microplastics, glyphosate, BHA/BHT, and phthalates. Do not let them back into your body.
Go to your kitchen right now and check the labels. If you can't pronounce it, or if it contains one of the killers, throw it away immediately. Share this video with someone you love. You could be saving their life by exposing the truths that the food industry tries so hard to hide. Subscribe to Pure Body Secrets for more deep dives into biology. We are committed to helping you uncover the secrets to a longer and better life. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it with the same intensity that you protect your family. Without it, nothing else truly matters. Do not wait until it is too late. Start your journey towards cellular recovery today and live the vibrant life you were always meant to have.